All right, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you are watching this video, or it all depend on when you are watching this update. Okay, this is Brainybite. If you are coming to this platform for the very first time, this is Brainybite tutorial. Sorry, don't mind me. I'm doing this video in the night. I'm just stressed out. You understand? So I'm a kind of weak. But don't mind me. So I will just try my best. Okay. So this is a Brainybite tutorial. What we do here is that we teach Jamb candidates and university aspiring candidates how to succeed. We also equally help them on how to succeed. We help them, teach them tricks and tips on how to pass Jamb UTME examination, and also assist them pass very excellently well, and help them secure admission in their various institutions. Okay, if this what I'm saying, yeah, what interests you, I will advise you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. So you can, if you have any information, you can let us know in the comment section. So you turn on the bell notification, subscribe to this very channel. Let us know if you're having any issues on the comment section. I will be right there to answer you all of your questions. Okay, today I'm not going to take much of your time. Today is not like tutorial. It's not like a tutorial where I would take more of your time. But now I'm not going to take much of our time. So I advise you stay tuned with me. What I'm going to discuss today is very, 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 very important. So it's advised you stay from beginning of this video to the end of this video, so that you don't miss out. Because if you miss out any part of this video, it's assumed that you did not get any vital knowledge here, and as such, it will worry you. You understand? So what you will just do, to stay from the beginning of this video to the end of this video, so you will benefit a lot. I promise you, will benefit a lot. All right, you'll benefit a lot. Trust me, you'll benefit. You understand? All right, without wasting much of our time, today, if you look at on our topic of the day, we'll have the topic of the day as Jamb Expo 2024. That's the topic of the day. Jamb Expo 2024. Okay, so many persons has come to my DM to ask, if you see where I ask frequency, FAQ is FAQ column, is Jamb Expo real or fake? What I use by the meaning for this FAQ, for the purpose of those that didn't know, the meaning for this FAQ is frequently asked question. Frequently asked question. Understand? Is Jamb Expo real or fake? So many persons have been coming to my DM to ask me all of this and all of that and all of this, blah 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 blah. You understand? So that's why I've made out my own time today, regardless of my busy schedule and all of that. So I've made out this particular time to make sure that I answer this question on the platform, so that each and every person will understand. Okay, first of all, what is Jamb Expo? Jamb Expo is a systematic way of assisting a candidate to pass a jamb or any other exam freely, without going through stress of reading and all of that. You understand? So now, I know so many of you will be waiting to hear me to say Jamb Expo is real or is fake. I know these two guys, what you guys are looking for me to say. Jamb Expo is either real or either fake. That's what you guys want to hear from me. So now I'm going to tell you guys whether this guy is real or fake. Okay, having done that, so you guys really know that the condition, you really know the situation of the country, how the country goes and all of that. So previous years, okay, all this while, since Jamb CBT started, the major challenge Jamb has is examination malpractice. You understand? So that's why Jamb has been fighting for examination malpractice almost every day, almost every year. Sorry, almost every year they has been fighting for examination malpractice and all of that. You understand? So now, at least they have advanced. Yes, they have advanced, but that doesn't stop malpractice. You understand? That doesn't stop malpractice. So, if that doesn't stop malpractice, that simply means that this guy is real. It is real, but it's on one. It has how will I put it? It has effects. You understand? It is real, but they have a systematic way of following it. As a good leader, I don't want each and every one of us here to fall into victim of scammers, people that will say, being like this, let me do like this for you, let me do like this for you, and like this and like this. At the end of the day, they didn't do like that and all of that. You understand? So that's why I have taken much of my time to make sure that I will explain things about this for you so that you don't fall into victim. All right? First of all, I won't tell you that Jamb Expo is fake. No, you won't hear it from my mouth. I won't tell you it's fake. Understand? It is real. So now it all depends on where the source of your assistance, where your assistance is coming from. That is the only thing that will determine whether it's real or fake then. So if your assistance is coming from a wrong hand, that simply means it's not working out. Your assistant is coming from a real hand, that simply means it's real. You understand? But it's real, believe me, it's real. It works. Okay, over the years we have been helping candidates succeed. Over the years we have been helping candidates succeed. All right, so we have been helping candidates succeed over the years. So, and we know our method. I'm not here to expose any of our method here with you guys. No, I'm only here try to clarify some things, because so many persons has come to my DM to ask for this question, and I told them and promised them that I will be answering this question on the platform so that everybody will know. You understand? First and foremost, if you go to social media, yes, you browse this Jamb Expo or Jamb Runs or whatever. You browse it, you will see so many bloggers promising you guys heaven and earth, this, that, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, we're promising you guys we are going to send your exam questions and answers 2 days to your exam. Some people will go as far as telling you 1 week to your exam. Some people will go as far as telling you um, uh, 2 hours to your exam. Some people will go as far as telling you midnight to your exam. Some people will go as far as telling you 3 days to the exam. Some people will go as far as telling you 4 days. See, run from those people. I'm telling you the truth now. Run from those people so you don't get scammed. And one other thing I want to tackle here also is those people that will say after Jamb upgrading of results, after Jamb upgrading. Now Jamb has been working, just like what I mentioned in the beginning of this class. I said that ever since they started CBT, Jamb has been fighting with examination malpractice. Understand? Anywhere they suspect loophole, they will make sure that they block it. There is no access and this and others, blah 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 blah, all of that. Understand? Previous years, that's when all of those upgrading exist. You understand? As of 2023 Jamb examination, it was very difficult for us to secure candidates. However, we secured our candidate, but it was very difficult. You understand? It was a very difficult one, but God helped us, and we secure each and everybody that registered under us. You understand? We secured them. You understand? So now people will promise you that Jamb they will send you answers a week to exam. Disregard any person telling you like that. Disregard anybody telling you they will send you answers 2 days to your exam. So now let me tell you how Jamb send their questions. Now each session has their own questions. Each session has their own questions. Jamb upload questions to the database 30 minutes to exam. Let's assume that if your exam is 6:30 in the morning, Jamb will upload you the current question that you guys will answer, the correct question, by 6 o'clock. If your exam is 6:30, they will upload that question by 6 o'clock. If your exam is 9 o'clock, they will upload those questions by 8:30, and so on and so forth. You understand? So that's how they do 30 minutes to exam. So persons will be telling you 2 days, 2 hours. No, it's a lie. Oh, it was before, not now again. It was before, not now again. Just as I told you, that Jamb has been fighting examination malpractice since. So it was before, not now again. Some person is asking me, how am I going to succeed to help you guys pass? Some persons has been coming to ask me, how am I going to succeed to help you guys pass? Excellently, that's a very nice question, and I love the people that ask those questions. I believe it's one of the most intelligent persons I have in the platform. That's the people that came to ask that question. That's a very nice. Okay, let me tell you guys. I know if you guys have understood all of those things that I've said, I said, if you are going to do anything like helping candidates, it is during these examination hours. After exam, there is nothing like upgrading of Jamb score. Let's assume that you score 2. I want to upgrade your 2 to 200. Nothing like that. Please hear me and hear me clear. Nothing like that. To avoid somebody that will take your money and go away with your money. There is nothing like that. Please, I'm begging you guys. So if you want to be helped, if you want somebody to help you, it is currently now. It is currently now. Just as those my candidates, I have been telling everybody on the platform, if you want us to help you, make sure you send me all your details before March ending. Before March ending. At least March ending, I should know how many persons we are going with. I work with what is it called? Coordinators. I work with coordinators, so they are bringing me students. So I have dropped their own slots for them. I have a lot of coordinators. I have like up to like 5 to 6, 7, 8 coordinators bringing different candidates, and their candidate is not 1, is not 2, is not 3, is not 4, is not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, is not even 10. You understand? So make sure that make sure that you send your details before now, before March ending, please. Before March ending, so that at the end of the day you don't say, had I known. At the end of the day, you don't say, had I known. All right. So now let me answer this question correctly. Again, okay, I've answered the question. So many persons have been telling me, how are you going to help us? The answer goes like this. Jamb upload your questions 30 minutes to each section. You understand? So as this year, we're supposed to take 1,000 candidates. We're supposed to take 1,000 candidates. We're supposed to take 1,000 candidates. But because of the pressure, if we take 1,000 candidates, because of the pressure we are going to face, we don't need 1,000 candidates, so we cut it down to 500 candidates, so that we'll have less than 15 persons in a day. By the time we have less than 15 persons in a day, we can attend to those persons very fast and very easy. And not only that, coming to the aspect of solving the questions and all of that, I just told you guys that we just launched our software, which day? That's few days ago. We just launched our software. So immediately those questions is uploaded on the Jamb server, we will use your Jamb registration number to get that your particular unique details, everything that concerns you. Jamb shovel the answer, the options, and the Jamb shovels the options and the questions. They shovels the questions. They also shovels the answer options, so that you don't have time to be asking your neighbor, wait till you press for number 2, wait till you press for number 3, which option do you choose in number 3 or number 4, and all of that. Don't have that time. So, and each subject, we have three teachers for that particular subject, so that the reason for that is because that session, if we have, let's assume that we have physics questions to solve, we have 3 teachers, because we don't have time. We have to teach at least once it's uploaded, we are going to use 15 minutes. That's the highest we can go, from 10 minutes to 15 minutes, to get all those your questions solved and delivered to you before you go. And not only that, after exam we also have I'm going far. I don't need to go far. Don't worry, let's just watch and see. All right, so those people asking me whether Jamb Expo is real or fake, so you have seen it now. You understand? So disregard anybody telling you he will send you this thing, questions and answers, 2 hours to exam, 1 week to exam, 4 days to exam, and all of that. Please don't do like that. Just disregard all of them. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please just subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that this update, this platform will guide you. You understand? It will guide you so much. We have helped so many students, and you too will not be exceptional if you want to follow us. Okay, so just follow the moving trend. Let's go and succeed once and for all. That's why we go with our slogan, keep winning. You understand? We win, we don't fail. All our team is winning. If you don't know, that's the reason why whenever you chat me, or I always respond at the end of the chat that you should keep winning. There's nothing like failure in our dictionary. It is winning and winning and winning all the way. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please, I urge and advise you to subscribe. Then turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we drop any amazing update, because any update I'm going to give to you guys, I will be dropping it on the platform, so that each and every one of us out there will get the information. All right, so I'll be dropping everything out there. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for the people that have subscribed. I really appreciate you guys. For the persons that have sent me their information regarding this forthcoming Jamb 2024 examination, don't forget, I owe you one thing: your Jamb result. All right, so we're not going to fail you guys. Okay, so until I see you guys again, I do love and cherish each and every member of this community. Okay, I love you guys. Don't forget, keep winning.